In the Garden of Eden, Adam was created, and then Lilith, the first woman from the same earth. Lilith was a strong-willed and independent woman who refused to be lower than Adam. She saw herself as Adam's equal and during sex refused to lie beneath him. This caused a rift between them, and Lilith eventually left the Garden of Eden. After Lilith left the garden, she encountered 3 angels who demanded that she return to Adam and submit to him. The angels threatened Lilith with death and punishment if she refused. The first angel asked Lilith, "Why have you left the garden?" Lilith replied, "Why should I lie beneath Adam when I am his equal? I was created from the same earth as he was, and I will not be subservient to him." The second angel asked Lilith, "If you do not return, 100 of your children will die every day." Lilith replied, "I will not return to the garden. My children will survive even without Adam's protection." The third angel asked Lilith, "If you do not return, you will be cursed and suffer for eternity." Lilith replied, "I accept the curse, for I will not be made to submit to Adam." Enraged by Lilith's defiance, the angels cursed her, causing her to become a demon and roam the earth forever. Lilith's children were cursed to be born deformed and demonic, and to be the source of suffering for humanity. Lilith was enraged by the injustice and humiliation she had suffered, and it is said that she sought revenge by seducing and killing their offspring. As Lilith wandered the world and knew she had the right of free will, she still struggled with the trauma of the Garden of Eden. Lilith encountered other creatures, both mortal and immortal, who tried to harm and seduce her. But Lilith was not easily swayed, for she had learned to trust her own instincts and intuition, to listen to the voice of her own soul as she did when she left the Garden of Eden. She embraced her inner power and wisdom, tapping into the dark, divine feminine. Lilith learned to confront the wounds of rejection, betrayal, and abandonment. She recognized the power of her sexuality and used it to empower herself and other women. She became a symbol of female liberation, encouraging women to embrace their own power and independence. Over time, Lilith became a figure of legend, feared and admired in equal measure. She was said to possess the power of flight, to be immune to disease and death, to be a seductress of men and a protector of women, and to be the bringer of misfortune and harbinger of chaos, a challenge to the order and stability of the patriarch. As Lilith continued to evolve, she became a goddess of the night, the dark and mysterious parts of the feminine. She is a symbol of the unknown and unseen. She reminds us that we are all worthy of love and respect, and that our inner power can be harnessed for our own growth and healing. And so is the telling of the story of Lilith. Renish Vyasa Avaj, Lilith Lirash. 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 Renish Vyasa Avaj, Lilith Lirash.